Congratulations on the purchase of your new Whirlpool washing machine. Installing your pedestal is easy. Let's take a look.
Here are some of the tools you'll need. A 1/4 inch hex head or open-ended wrench, a 9/16 inch open-end wrench, a 5/16 inch hex head ratchet, a 1/4 inch nut driver, pliers, a level, and a utility knife.
We'll need to tip the machine over, so place some cardboard down on the floor to protect it from scratching. Remove the drawer divider from your pedestal and place it on the cardboard. Now it's time to remove the pedestal drawer. Using the nut driver, remove the screws attaching your drawer. Now, remove the drawer. Warning: this is an excessive weight hazard. Use 2 or more people to move and install your washer or dryer. Failure to do so can result in back or other injuries. Enlist the help of a friend to tilt your machine to the side. Now, partially install your hex head screws. You only want to fasten these halfway. Once the hex head screws are installed, remove the feet from each of the 4 corners. Now it's time to attach the pedestal to the washing machine. The front of the pedestal cabinet should align with the washer cabinet. Slide the pedestal's keyhole slots over the 2 partially installed screws. Now secure the pedestal to the washing machine by installing the 2 remaining hex head sheet metal screws. Enlist the help of a friend to help you lift the machine to an upright position. Make sure that the washing machine is now in its final location and check to see if it's level. If the machine isn't level, use your open-ended wrench to adjust the feet. Check again to make sure you're level. When the machine is level, use your open-ended wrench to securely tighten all 4 jam nuts against the pedestal. Now it's time to reassemble the pedestal drawer. Pull both drawer slides out and reassemble the drawer using the 2 hex head screws we previously removed. Congratulations, you've now installed your washer onto the pedestal.